All kinds of stuff you can do on here. There's just blue and star. That's pretty wild. This is the Galaxy Star Projector. Just going to show you what you get with this. This thing's actually cooler than I thought it would be. It's kind of fun playing with it. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. When you take it out of the box, you're going to get a USB cable. It does not have a charging block with it. It can be plugged directly into a USB, or you can provide your own. You get this thing that looks like a car that sits on here. You get a remote control, and you get the actual device itself. And this is little rubber feet on here that keep it from sliding around. So pretty cool. And once you plug this thing in, you got 4 buttons on the front: power, mode, volume up and down, because you can connect this via Bluetooth to your phone if you want to. 2 things on top here. You got a green laser right here, which you can see, and the Aurora projector. On the remote control, I'll go through this and I'm going to demo this in a dark room. So we've got on and off. This turns on and off the Aurora. This turns on and off the green laser. This device works off 4 different colors: red, green, blue, and white, and you can turn them on or off individually on the Aurora, which is cool. You've got volume up and down. This thing actually has 4 little songs. You can change them from one to the next. Pretty simple device, but it works cool and looks cool. So you can also set it to turn off at different intervals if you want to do that. So let's test this thing in a dark room. This thing's pretty wild. So I can turn off the Aurora effect right here with the remote control, and you just get the green laser using the remote control. I could turn the Aurora off if I want. Yes, you can adjust the intensity of the Aurora. I can turn off the red. I can turn the red back on. Turn off the green. Green back on. I can turn the blue on. Look at that. Turn the white off. All kinds of stuff you can do on here. There's just blue and star. That's pretty wild. There's a couple different modes on there. Look at that thing. Put some green in there. Wow. Red. Some blue. This mode right here is rotating them in and out. Just changing them around. So that's cool. This thing's pretty wild. But all kinds of stuff you can do right here. Right all off of the remote control. So if you're looking for a cool Galaxy projector, check this one out. I like it.